Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your Trust Wallet name using the Trust Wallet web browser. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have installed the Trust Wallet extension in my Chrome browser. In case you have not do it right now, we have also created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to change our Trust Wallet name. At the top left, you can see right here, this is my wallet name, and right now I want to change it. Well, it is quite easy. All you have to do is just go to settings right here. At the bottom right, you can see the settings button here. Click on it. And guys, this is it. From here, you can change the network. You can also look at the developer settings and everything. But right now, all I want to do is click on this manage wallet button here. Likewise, this is my wallet right here. I'm gonna click on the button on the right associated with it. And it's gonna give me two options, namely change wallet name or remove wallet. Do not click on remove wallet. Right now, all we want to do is click on this button right here that says change wallet's name. Click on it and just rename it whatever you wish. I'm gonna rename it right now. As you can see, I have changed the text. Once you've done that, simply hit on confirm. And guys, that is it. That's how we rename your Trust Wallet. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.